Hello everyone, welcome to EDC Glue and Gears. I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we have a Convoy L21B with SFT42R, and this is a 6500 Kelvin 10 amp buck driver with 12 group mode. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we get. So I have gone with this tan color, which on the website it's called tan, but I think it's kind of champagne gold, and I really love this. So I have one with LHP73B, and this black one is with SFT90. So I'm really liking this host. So let's see what we get. So with this we have the deep reflector. Okay, let's get this off, and let's quickly give it a shine. So we have a very smooth deep reflector, and you can see the SFT42R. Here we have a quick look, and you can see the LED yoke. And then we have a very good finish. So we have already covered L21B, so you know the quality is really good. So let's quickly remove this. Thank you for Convoy for providing this. Really appreciate it. So I have taken the 50PL from Eve. I always go with Eve 50PL because it supports more than 20 amp of high current discharge, and it's a very good cell. Really good machining. So here we have the 10 amp buck driver. A really good stiff spring. Really good threads. So the non-anodized version goes towards the head. So if you notice if it is slightly on the dry side, please go ahead and lube it so that you don't damage the thread and the O-ring. And especially on these L21Bs, I have noticed the threading is really good. Alright, so we have put this in group 10. So this is your level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So level 1 is 1%, 10%, 35%, and 100%. Right? So here we have a closer look. So if we are very close to the surface, you can see the donut hole. But the moment you go around 6 to 8 inch away from the surface, you can see it is already gone. And when you push it up, the hotspot remains very clean. And there a bit of spill, you can see the spill here, right? I'm moving it. You can let me go to the next level, probably. Yeah, now you can see a really good spill. So you have a very concentrated hotspot and a very nice spill. So the edges look slightly soft, but I can assure you this looks really good in real life. So here we have the spill. So all right, so let's quickly go outside and see how this performs. So today we have the Convoy L21B. This is being paired with a SFT42R 6500 Kelvin. So I have set this into group moding 11 or group mode 10, which has 1%, 10%, 35%, and 100%. So let's start. So this, what you can see is 1%, and it is really throwy. I can easily see the end of the park, which is very unusual for this brightness. So it has a really deep reflector, and that's the reason it is able to push the beam so nice. So this is 10%. Very interesting throw, and it has a really nice spill. This is 35%, and I think this is more than enough and I can see beyond the boundary of this park easily. It, it's like it doesn't even sweat. That's crazy good. Crazy good. All right, so I think this is the 100%. So 1, 10, 35, and 100. So I'll call this level 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is level 4, and you can see it is able to tint the last tree without breaking a sweat. That is crazy good. That is crazy good. So this is on level 4. This is absolute monster for search and rescue because of the large head and the deep reflector. It is able to throw so well. So I'll change cycle through the brightness. This is level 4, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Crazy good. So let's go through the tree line once. So level 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the first tree line. Absolutely no problem. You can see it is able to point really well. The hotspot is really well good, and then you have a great spill. And the best part is the head is not even hot. It's just warm, mildly warm. So this is the first tree. Second tree. And there is a small stub which I never saw. This is the first time even I'm seeing this. All right, so this is the second tree. Third tree. Not a problem. Then we have the pole. And then the end of the park. Okay, today we have four-legged friends, and they are feeling very excited for some reason, and I just hope they didn't do anything. Okay, you can go now. All right. Brilliant. This thrower is brilliant, and it is able to sustain this top brightness, the 100% so well. All right, so this is L21B with SFT42R. Let's head back inside. Okay, so you saw the beam shot and it was really good. I think the camera was showing it slightly on the darker side in level 1, but in reality it is decently bright in level 1. And the surprising part was I was able to tint or light up the boundary of that park, which is strange. I don't think I have seen any other flashlight does that apart from, I think, Ace Beam T29, because it also has a similar setup, deep reflector with SFT42R. So let me know in the comment if you want to see a comparison between L21B with SFT42R and this Ace Beam T29, which also has a SFT42R, and it has almost similar specs. So this has a slightly smaller, shallower reflector than the Ace Beam, and if you see, the Ace Beam has a slightly deeper reflector, and the emitter is probably sitting around here, where the emitter on the L21B is around here. So I think it is going to be a very interesting side-by-side comparison. However, I want to say that I'm extremely happy with L21B with SFT42R, because I don't think there is another flashlight which gives you so much value out of the price and the performance. So this is extremely value for money product, because this performance was unexpected and I really liked it. So let me know in the comments, how did you like this video, and if you want to see a comparison between the L21B and the Ace Beam T29 because of the same setup. So thank you so much for watching. You have a great day, and I see you in the next video.